Hey everyone! Are you ready to get a sneak peek at Apple's latest operating system before anyone else? If so, I've got some exciting news for you. You can download the iOS 18 beta right now on your iPhone, and I'm here to walk you through how to do it. First things first, iOS 18 is packed with new features that will revolutionize how you use your iPhone. From an AI-powered Siri to a fully customizable control center and a redesigned Photos app, there's a lot to be excited about. But remember, what we're talking about today is the developer beta. This is primarily intended for developers to start tweaking their apps, and for the brave souls among us who like living on the cutting edge. So how do you get it? Well, it's easier than you might think, but there's a small catch. You need to be enrolled in the Apple Developer Program. Last year, Apple introduced a free tier to the program, which is great news for all of us. This means you can join without paying the usual $100 fee, as long as you have an Apple ID. Here's the step-by-step. First, head over to the Apple Developer website and sign up or log in. Once you're in, navigate to the Download section. Here you'll find the iOS 18 beta available for download. Download the beta profile onto your iPhone. After downloading, open your Settings app, tap on the profile you just downloaded, and then install it. Your phone will need to restart, but once it's back on, you'll be running the iOS 18 developer beta. It's that simple. Now, a quick word of caution. Since this is a beta version, it's not the final product and may contain some bugs. So, it might not be ideal for your main device. Always back up your data before proceeding with the installation. And that's it. You're now one of the first to experience iOS 18. Explore the new features, test them out, and see what you think. Whether you're a developer or just a tech enthusiast eager to try out the latest and greatest, this is your chance to get an early look at what Apple has in store for us later this year. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Catch you in the next video.